everybody. It's Briggs. Thank you so much for joining my channel. Yay! So today we are sketching and painting pears. Yeah, so I have this really cool aqua 4 style pencil that allows me to add water to it and paint with it. So as you can see, the gray tones, the shadows have all come from this beautiful pencil, and I'm adding very little color to it, a little bit of yellow, a little bit of green, and just sort of dabbing it in areas very lightly. As you can see by the way that I'm holding my brush, I'm just allowing for the brush to sort of fall on the pears. And then just kind of dabbing. Now I'm adding a combination of brown, yellow, and orange, which is creating that kind of awkward sort of color shade of red. And just dabbing and mushing the paint around the page. I just like to mush it around or mop it all around. And because I'm out of white watercolor, I'm using, to give highlights, acrylic white paints by Basic. And you can use any kind of white acrylic paint if you want to. Unless you have white watercolor, then splash that in. That should be cool. Then I like to detail with just like a charcoal pencil to bring out the pits and the stems, accentuate the pears themselves, and then add more shadow effect. As you can see, I've wet the brush here, and now I'm blending that charcoal back into the page. And then finally, with a very, very watered down shade of pink, I've completely addressed the background and back to blow dry, and then finally gone over the lettering because it kind of faded. Love watercoloring. It is so much fun. Please come and join me someday when I do a Zoom, because I would love to see all your pretty faces. I will be posting that up so that you can join. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye!